Good evening, colleagues. In the opening ceremony, I had the pleasure of representing Asia Pacific. And now, from this moment onwards, I have the immense honor to share with you that my name is CheMi Lhamu and I am your spokesperson of WLC. Please note that as a spokesperson, I'm not your voice. I want to be your microphone because you have a voice. Your people have a voice. They have been screaming at the top of their lungs each fight, each day that they're resisting. So I will be your spokesperson that will amplify your voices at the world stage. As I assume my responsibility to manage all external communications and media relations, more than speaking, I will listen. Because as my mother says, you have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason, CheMi. And so today, I make a commitment that I will listen. I will listen to the voices of dissent, the voices of courage, the voices of the political prisoners, the voices of heroes like each and every single one of you that is in this room representing your people and your fight. We, on behalf of the executive team, know the struggle of getting your voices and your stories heard. Getting it on the news. For far too long, we've been told that the news channel only has a short cycle. But guess what? Together, with this network, we will find the connections that will platform your voices. And if they close the door on us, we will create new doors. We will create new doors through offices of freedom of affairs, because when we, the people, when we're united, we'll never be defeated. Say with me, people, united, we'll never be defeated. The people, united, will never be defeated. The people, united, will never be defeated. Freedom, thank you.